Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ardelia Delinda. You can call me Lia. I'm from Biology Department, University of Malang, and I'm in offering A. My lecturer is Miss Rifka, and the major is English for Biology. Okay, in this video, I want to retell again to you all about an article that my friend presentation have done the presentation about it, and the title is Ecological Intensification Swaps Pesticides for Biodiversity. Okay, first, do you know what is pesticides? Pesticide is ingredient or chemical used to kill pests, but in the form of plants, insects, and other animals in our environment. Based on the type of pesticide divided into 5, there are insecticides, herbicides, fungicides, nematicides, and rodenticides. According to the FAO, or Food and Agriculture Organization, if global population and food consumption trends continue, the world will need to produce 16% food by 2050. It's so many. And then, so we must achieve the highest yield, but in the lowest cost. So we can meet food requirements. There are divided into 2 types. The first is conventional intensification, and the second is ecological intensification. Conventional intensification, such as indoor farming, but there are alternatives. And then the second is ecological intensification, use service provided by natural to benefit farmers, like incorporating some natural habitats into farm attract the insects. And then the ecological intensification technique has begun to apply in the Northwest Europe, and then this technique also still trying to be introduced deeper into the farmers by provide guidance and evaluate the biodiversity and agronomic effects of the measure. Researchers help to establish wildflowers habitats on the Dutch blueberry farms to attract pollinators and allow farmers to see for themselves the benefits of ecological intensification. Tillage is plugging farm land to mix up soil, bury the grass layer, and prepare a uniform bed for sowing. But in recent years, this approach has been proven to be detrimental to the soil ecosystem and to long-term soil fertility. And then, Professor Fink said that soil is a living system. There are organisms adapted to more and less air. And then if you come with a blow and turn around the soil, you bring the lower layers up into contact with the air, and a lot of organisms will die. These microorganisms are part of an ecosystem that helps plants control pests and fight with disease. Then this problem can be overcome by having been testing different species of cover crops. These are types of plants like clovers, legumes, and grasses, which are planted alongside cash crops where the both yield and reduce need for fertility, pesticides, and herbicides. It's also soil erosion and can look in extract carbon dioxide for the atmosphere. And for the last video, I want to answer my friends' questions about what the risk of ecological intensification. I think all of us know that the cost that very expensive to do ecological intensification, for make land to ecological intensification, and not all plants can use ecological intensification. Okay, that's it. That's the best what can I do, and I hope you can enjoy my video. Thank you very much for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.